Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will explore whether you can reverse a video or reel in Instagram. Please watch the entire video for a proper understanding of the process. So let's get started. Open the Instagram app and your phone. If you want to reverse a video, you'll notice that there is no option available under the share menu. Similarly, when using the Instagram camera, there is no direct option to reverse the recorded video. However, there is a workaround. Before uploading the video to Instagram, you can use a video editor app. One example is InShot, which you can download from the Play Store or App Store. After installing the app, open it and select Video and then New to choose the video you want to reverse. Tap on the check mark, slide the option to the left, and select the reverse option. Your video will be reversed. Save the reversed video to your phone's gallery and then upload it to Instagram. And that's how you can reverse a video or reel on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.